Hello everyone, welcome to my Hot Wheels Redlines collection, and today is another mail call day. So I just got back from the mailbox and had this in there, and we'll open it up real quick. Show you what I got. Kind of a weird packing job. I mean, clever, just using a piece of cardboard. But let's see if we can get this guy open. Lot of paper. All right. Paper towel. Actually did a good job packing this thing. Boom. All right. So what do we think of that? A brown Lola GT. Man. Wheels are nice. Front's nice. The sides are beautiful. Got the original sticker on it for the GT70. Well, I like that color. It's got the stop in the back, so it's a later edition. It's like I've talked before, some of the older, the first runs, didn't have that little pin back there, so the lid would fly all the way back, and then it would tear off as kids played with them. But man, that thing is nice. So I'm not sure. Yeah, US made car. Okay. I wasn't sure because of the sticker on the bottom, but I see that little pin right there, pinhole. So yeah, this is a US made car, clear glass, black interior. Man, that thing is gorgeous. So that there, my friends, is the newest addition to my collection. I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I do, and I will see you on the next video. Bye, everybody.